In this video, I'm going to show you how to send notification from your Flutter device and also how to get a pop-up message when your application is open. So we have a button, and if I press this button, it will send a notification to all the devices which has this application. And we will also get this pop-up dialog that will show the notification title and message. So these are two separate features that I will show you in this video. One is sending notification from your device directly without using JavaScript, and the second one is showing this notification pop-up dialog when our application is open. And if we click the view button, it will take us to the chat screen as it was doing before. So let's see how we can do this. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and like the video so you won't miss such amazing videos in the future. And now let's get started with the video. Alright, so far we were using this JavaScript file to send notification, and we're using this access library from JavaScript. Now let's write this code in our Flutter application and send notification from our Flutter application directly. And to do that, I'm gonna come to notification service. I will collapse all the methods that we had previously. Now all the way down here, I'm gonna create a method to send notification from the device. So I've created a method called send notification, and this will take title and body that we will pass that from show notification. So first I'm gonna create a variable for access token. We have to generate our token using this script. Next is the body for our message payload as we had right here, and now the URL and the headers as we had here. It's basically just copying all these stuff from here, and here we use access.post method. Instead of that, we can use HTTP package, and before that you also have to import HTTP package in your pubspec YAML. And now down here I'm gonna call http.post and pass in our URL, headers, and the message payload in the body that we have here. And then we check if the response is 200, we just print notification sent successfully, otherwise we get the error. Now let's also import this package of Dart convert and also the HTTP all the way up here. Alright, I can save this, and now to call this, I'm gonna copy this and go to my main method. Inside here we have the hello text. Instead of this, I'm gonna create a button to send notification. So inside this button, I'm gonna call this notification service dot instance dot send notification. So we just pass a title and a body in our notification. And now if I save this, and remember, before running the application you also have to pass the access token in here, and to get the token we can call this generate token that will generate as a token, node generate token. It will give me this, and I can copy all this thing. This is not a secure way of storing token, but this is just for demo purpose. Now I can save this and close these terminals. Now I can create an APK file. Alright, we have the APK file. I'm gonna connect my device and install this APK in my device. So inside here, I'm gonna install this APK file. Once it's installed, I can open this application. Now we have this button to send notification, and if I click this button, it should send notification and I should receive notification. And if I click this, it will open the chat screen. This is from our previous implementation. So I can come back here. Now the next thing I want to show you is we should get a pop-up dialog that will show the notification title and message, and a button for view. And if we click on that button, it should take us to the chat screen. Let's see how we can do that. So for notification pop-up, I'm gonna come to this notification service. I'm gonna collapse this and create another method for showing pop-up. For that, I'm gonna create a show dialog with notification method. Whatever message comes from FCM, we will show that. Now inside here, first we create a context which is from our current context passing from our main method. Next, if the context is not null, we show a simple dialog passing the context builder and alert dialog. Inside the title, we pass notification.title, and inside the content we pass notification.body, which has two buttons, close and view. If we click on view, we call the same handle background message, and here we pass message type which comes from the background notification wherever we pass here. In this case, if it is chat, then we will go to the chat screen as it is handled already in our background message. We will go to the chat screen if we click on the view button. So it is as simple as this. Now we can call this inside this on message which is foreground message. So after showing notification, I'm gonna paste this one and pass the message right inside it. You can comment this show notification and it will not show that drop down notification. It will only show this pop-up dialog, but I want both of them. Let's test and see how our notification looks. Here I'm gonna create an APK file. Alright, we have our application running, and now if I click on this send notification, we will get both notifications, and this is a pop-up dialog. And if I click on view, we should go to the chat screen. So that's it. This is how we can send notification directly from our device and how we can show a pop-up message when our device is open. One thing that I have to mention is this token that you're generating using this code will only be available for 1 hour and it will expire. You have to generate again and pass it to your method here, and there's no way that you can prevent the expiration of token. This is for security purpose, and if you want to generate it automatically, you have to write some code in your backend or database that will refresh this token every 1 hour. And I think I have covered all the topics about Flutter notification. If there is still something about notification that you want to learn, just comment down and I will try to make another video on that. And I will leave the source code for this project along with these 2 JavaScript files in the description so you can use it and you will get whatever we have done so far. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss such amazing videos in the future, and I will see you in the next video.